harassed. Alright, these are my cocks. One, I think they are not. One, two, quick is trying to fry. If you look at the back of that hen there, and the back of this other one here, you guys,
every village
we have another day, guys. Welcome to the channel.
Every traveler
Tonight I'm going to show you now the growth of my cocks, and actually I'm looking for a market. This is the trough they feed. I've divided the place into two, one for the cocks and the other one for the others. So let me start my supplying the food. So I first spread the food. This is the food. This is the food. So I spread it here like this. Found that if I give them too much, they are not finishing. So this for the cock and the ducks. These are the ones which are going to come on this side. And now go and add water. So I'll put the water in this position here. That's where I put the water in that position. So those are my cocks. They have started feeding now. There is one here which is not going here. I don't know. It is being beaten by the others. But these are my cocks. Alright. You can see them. There is one which is harassing. There is one which is being harassed. Alright, these are my cocks. One, I think they are not 1, 2, 3, 4. And then there is this one here is being harassed by the others. There is one which I don't know whether it's going to eat anything. It's being harassed. You see? Those are my cocks. So I separated them because they were harassing the other poultry. Now you know they are preventing this one to eat. I don't know why they are seeing. I don't know they are seeing it as what. Alright, this one here is being harassed. But these are cocks only. Alright. So I now go and organize the hens. Alright. So the cocks look like that. It's very big. But that one there is being harassed by the others. So let's go to the hens and see what it is. So I want now to organize the hens. When I put them together, they become very, very chaotic. Alright.
Every road has a story. Every village
Been interrupted by a phone call.
Every traveler leaves with a lesson.
We have issues with that.
Welcome to the journey.
So
The morning sun is calling. New horizons wait ahead.
organizing my
Every mile
I want now
becomes a memory.
to open up
Every
my
smile
hens
becomes a
because I separated them
mountain
like the cocks were raping them or something. One hen could be attacked by about 5 cocks against one female. You see how they look like their backs look like they have been
hand in hand, side by side. One Kenya, one people. Kutoka pwani hadi milimani, kila mahali kuna hadithi.
these are 2 cocks.
Kicheko chetu ni daraja
I will now try to separate.
kinachotuunganisha
I'm
sote.
going to separate
Safari yetu
the ducks because the ducks sometimes misbehave. I have to separate them. So let's see what I will do. Okay. Let's see what I will do. But I will have to separate the ducks. So these are the hens. The ducks sometimes harass. So 2 cocks slept or stayed together with the hens for the night. Remember, the other cocks, if you look at the back, of this one, this hen here, is a cock which is trying to fry. If you look at the back of that hen there, and the back of this other one here, you find that they have been like they were being raped. I don't know whether we can use the word raping in poultry instances, but being attacked by very many cocks. And now you see it does not even have any feathers. They have been moved. Alright, so I think, guys, I can end my poultry drama there. Now they are separated. You can see these ones now. These ones are now alone. So I was telling you the other day. You can see now they are maturing. It's like they have matured, all of them. These ones have not been around to go out yet. You can call them chicks, but then I can see that there is a very big cock again there. Right. But most of these ones now are hens. I can see just 1 cock or two cocks. The others are hens. But on the other side, you have more cocks than the hens, and that was why there were chaos when I was feeding them. There is one I've tried to rehabilitate here to treat it, and it is recovering. This small hen here, if you look at the back there, sensitivity and an infection, and I've tried as much as possible to treat these young ones here. This, I've not given them water, so I want to give them water, and I'll cross the business. Alright, I normally use this container here for water, so let me get the water. And guys, may I end my video here where I source the water, and may I see you in my next video. Bye.